Welcome to our Coca-Cola plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step.
Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos like this.
Every batch is precisely formulated. The ingredients are carefully blended to ensure perfect consistency in every bottle.
Pressure in Sector 7 is stabilizing.
Good. Reroute auxiliary power. Each batch is refined, carbonated, and tested for perfect taste. Every bottle is carefully inspected before leaving our facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from start to finish.
We're working on the next generation of industrial solutions.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.